All right, testing, 1, 2, 3. Say something.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
I guess it's working.
We're at the Towpath.
We're towing the path.
Yeah, we're towing the path at the trailhead in Clinton. We'll be proceeding north in search of great pictures.
Yes.
Yes.
Photos by name.
Hello and welcome.
Hello.
This is my father. He's going to be on YouTube. We're going to go down the Canal Towpath.
Yeah, Ohio Canal
Towpath.
Towpath.
And
Something like that.
see if we can get some pictures.
Yes.
To be continued. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you going first or am I going first?
You can go first.
No, go ahead.
We'll go up this way, north first. That's where I have more opportunity for pictures.
Okay.
Doop-a-doo, doop-a-doop-a-doo. Oh, nice. Need to get way on up before we get to that big overlook thing. There.
Oh, I might fall over.
Yeah,
Okay.
something like that.
I mean, I can go pretty slow on this.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, this camera shakes really bad. That's how it's done. So the mosquitoes are already out. Oh, here comes the train. I'm gonna miss it.
That's not going to look like anything.
Yeah, I didn't get it. The thing about this cotton carrier system is it gives me moobs. Look, I got moobs to all the moobs. All right. Cruise control set at 6.9 mph, and we're cruising. Beautiful Sunday day, and I guess I'm vlogging now. My father behind me, he's mic'd, but he's not saying anything. Well, I wouldn't hear him anyways if he was hearing anything. So this shit could be interesting.
He's just a squirrel looking for a nut.
This camera is really bouncy mounted to this bike. I don't know how.
Yeah, his was too.
There is
It
some.
fell off at one point. He had to stop.
Oh, did it really?
Yeah,
Oh,
or
God.
fell down or something.
Oh, here comes some folks.
I'll fall in behind.
All right.
Yeah.
Howdy.
There's a pic.
Hmm?
There's a pic.
Mm-hmm.
This is where I stopped and took pictures of this bike that I put on Facebook.
Oh, of your bike?
Yeah, this is here, tread.
The trike or the?
The trike.
Oh, down 3.
3 in a row. 3 in a row.
Right.
Good morning. Want the ice cream store though?
What's that? You hope the ice cream store's open?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do.
What if they have hot dogs?
Yeah, hot dogs.
I wonder if they do breakfast.
That'd be good.
Hmm. We're having a stretch.
Yeah. Yes, one must stretch.
Let's ride for an hour.
What?
There's a butterfly.
Oh.
What's the focus on the branch?
Where are we on our way to?
Canal Fulton.
Oh.
We're hoping the hot dog store is open.
Yeah.
But it might be too early.
Might be. Is this side of the canal or is that side of the canal?
This side's canal.
So this is the old canal from
Yeah, this is the canal. And over there's Tuscarawas River. I don't think we can see it. It's
Okay.
behind those trees.
It's over there.
They kind of run parallel.
From the
old canal.
mid 1800s?
Yeah, canal boats went all the way from Cleveland. I think it went all the way down to the Ohio River.
Mm-hmm.
And folks from all around the little towns around here would bring their goods to ship down.
Through the canal.
And a lot of coal went down the canal. They would bring stuff from clear from Mansfield. They would come to Clinton, merchants would, to have their stuff shipped.
Nice.
That's a long ways from Mansfield.
Yeah.
Plus there's a coal mine outside Doylestown, Rhodes Hollow. They'd bring their coal down to Clinton to be shipped down south. I guess it all had to go south.
Yeah.
To go north would be up. And the road we're standing, the path the mule horses would walk down, pulling the canal back in the day.
Yeah, that's just a
And
park.
they redid the Towpath Trail. And this Towpath Trail, that runs from Cleveland to Zorro. I think about 80 miles.
Yeah.
60 or
And you can ride the train. There's a passenger train that goes up through the CVNP.
Yes.
And if you're on the towpath with your bike, you can ride it for free. You can go
Oh, yeah, that's
down one
right.
way and then ride the train up the other.
They do.
So there you have it.
Yeah,
Oh,
good morning. Right,
Yeah, it is.
down that hill.
It is.
Tunnel, but no, she's pretty still.
I don't know. I always felt uneasy when I was on that trike. Like I wanted to wobble or...
Yeah.
We're done.
We're done.
We arrived.
Yes.
Like and subscribe.
Yes.
Or don't. But do.
Do.
Goodbye.
Please do. Bye.